There's nothing worse than being stuck in a kitchen on a hot day and cooking. So I like the simple dish because it's refreshing and also satisfying at the same time. I picked up silky tofu. If I can open it, that'd be great. The softness of the tofu really depends on the brand because this one is super soft. And I'm just gonna use my strainer and strain it over the sink. And then I'm just gonna plop it into the plate. Okay, you know what? To be honest, it's not the most attractive, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna cover it with sauce. So I've salted that and I will set it aside while I make the sauce. I have some ginger, which I'll grate. I have a tiny clove of garlic, and I wouldn't put it in if you're insecure about having garlic breath, of course, but today I don't really care. Okay, garlic, ginger, grated, soy sauce, sesame oil. I like to add a tiny bit of sugar, some crispy chili and oil, a red chili. I'm too lazy to cut it, so I'm using my fingers, but of course I need to wash my hands afterwards or else it could sting my eyes. And then I just mix it. Give it a good mix. Have a taste. It's very nice. Quite salty, garlicky. It has a lot of flavor. There's enough saltiness to it. Ooh, it's spicy. Maybe I add a tiny bit more sugar. That's good. Set that aside. Green onion. I have my tofu. I'm just gonna put the entire sauce. And then I'll top with green onions. Let's give it a try. And I don't know why, but if you have a wooden spoon, I think it tastes better. It's nice and saucy, spicy, flavorful, and it's very refreshing. It's great on a hot day.